This is Idaho in the winter time. Usually we don't get that much snow. This year we've gotten like 13 inches of it or something. This is Shaggy and Sonja. Come on, Shag. Come on, Sonja. This is Sonja. Happy to see me. This is... Get over here, you doggone thing. This, the white one is Shaggy. The black one there, that's Sonja. They don't do nothing all day long but bark. Bark at the trees, bark at the fences. They think they gotta guard the whole place from all the little squirrels and all the cats that run around this area. Come on, Shag, Sonja, get over here. Come on, get over here. Get over here. Come on, come on, Shaggy. Shaggy. You gotta watch that Shaggy. She'll be out there. She's a real animal eater. She's eaten some of our chickens before. She's anytime there's a cat or a squirrel or a mouse or anything else, old Shaggy here will find them, and she usually attacks them. So we always gotta watch out for our dogs there, or our cats in the garage there, because she'll be attacking them if we're not around. Ain't that right, Shaggy? Hey, Sonja? What's the matter? What's the matter? Ooh. Get your face right up here. Get your face right up here. Hold up. Oh, it smells. Oh, what's this smell like? Good old dog. Good old Sonja. Get her, Shag. Get her, Shag. Come here, Shag. Sonja. You came down here, Shaggy. Oh! Can you say something? Huh? Huh? Oh, poor doggy. Yeah. Good old Shaggy, Sonja. Good old Idaho dogs. What's that? Huh? Shaggy. Oh, buddy. Yeah. What's the matter? Oh, jealous coming over here.